Good day to my subscribers at home, at work, anywhere you are, any country you are. I'm glad you came back for my videos again. If you watched my previous video, I highlighted everything I will be teaching you in this channel. I told you everything, every secret I will be unleashing on this channel. So today we are about to start a very important discussion. And if you have any questions, feel free to use our comment section to tell me what you feel, what you've tried out, whether it worked out or not, any problem you are encountering at any level in this tutorial. Because today, I am going to show you why your books on KDP are not selling. You are going to see the reasons why you were unable to make a consistent sales on daily basis. Some people, some of my students have been complaining that they are up to 1 full year on this platform. They have stayed up to 1 year on Amazon publishing books but has not made up to 3 sales. I even had a student that hasn't made a single sale. He have to buy his book himself. Just to conquer, just to say, how can I not be making sales? Is this fake or what? But in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. What is it that is holding your book from selling? You are going to find out today, because I will unleash everything you need to know about it. So in this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be working with a guide, so we won't exceed our time frame. Here are the list of things that can make your book not to sell on Amazon. So the first thing on our list today is setting up your AutoCentra account. AutoCentra account. What is AutoCentra account? AutoCentra account is an account for every author on Amazon. Having an AutoCentra account will help you communicate with your fans, with your returning buyers. It will showcase all the books you have written so far on KDP and even the ones that are available for pre-order. Your AutoCentra account will enable your buyers to follow you up. It has a follow button. It has a follow button. For example, in one of my books titled Mindset of World Richest People, you will see what I'm talking about here. This is actually not my book. This is my book here. Mindset of World Richest People, a guide to build wealth, invest, and gain economic freedom. This is my book on Amazon KDP. As you can see, I have set up the Amazon Central account, AutoCentra account, I mean to say. You see, there is a follow button here. When your buyers clicks this follow button, it means that Amazon is gonna share a notification with them whenever you publish a new book on your account. You can as well get in contact with the author of the book and discuss more about his books or his upcoming books. So some people are not making sales because they didn't set up their AutoCentra account. There is no means for your buyers, those that bought your books before, to know that you have written a new book that needed to be read. There is no way for you to communicate with your audience. It's just like an email list. It is a marketing strategy that you can use to bring back your buyers to buy your new books. So do not underrate the power of AutoCentra. AutoCentra is really magical, because most of these big authors on Amazon, they have a strong fan base. This is because they have already set up their Amazon Auto Central account. Now the big question is, how do you set up your Amazon Auto Central account? It's very easy. You just go to Google and type Auto Central. Auto Central KDP. Just search it. From the search result, you get the official website. You see? Auto Central KDP. You click on it. From here, you go in. You can see everything you need to know about your Auto Central account. You can add your books to your authors page, add your biography in different language, add photos and videos, leading photos and videos that can help in the marketing and promotion of your book, that tells your buyer more about your products, more about you. You can upload it into your Auto Central account. Check customers' reviews. You can as well read your customers' reviews from your Auto Central account and as well reply to them. Add editorial reviews to your books, US feature only. This is basically for those that are living in US. You can add editorial reviews to your books. You can share your blog feeds, check boost sales information, and so many other features of your Auto Central account. And through this platform, you can as well click and what? Register. You can see Amazon Auto Central. If I have not registered, I will just see a registration button will come out. You say join for free. This is the steps you need to take to set up your Auto Central account. So since I have joined already, I will just log in. I will just log into my own Auto Central account. Okay. I'm logging in. You can exercise patience a bit. I'm logging into my Auto Central account. That's now. Oh yes, think I'm there. This is my Auto Central account. As you can see, all my books, I've claimed some of them here and more to come. I'm still going to claim them. You can see, view all your books. These are the books I've claimed on my Auto Central account. Not all my books are here. I just claimed some of them here and I will still claim more. I will search the name of my book here if I want to claim my book on Auto Central, and the book comes out, and as soon as the book comes out, I am going to see add to Auto Central account. So you can see $1 million account, $1 million account, $1 million account. You may be wondering, why is it 3? These are the 3 editions. This is the Kindle version, this is the hardcover, and this is the paperback. So these are the things you need to do to ensure that your Auto Central account is up and running. You also need to add about the author. About the author on your Auto Central account is very, very necessary. Adding your about the author will let your readers or potential buyers know more about you. You can write your biography for here. Paulinus Okeke is an inspiring speaker, human rights activist, relationship coach who has lectured thousands of people around the world. This means that his book has inspired and changed lives. This is my Auto Central account, and that's the about the author you are seeing right now. So it's good to set up your about the author. Now, one of the benefits of Auto Central account is that it's going to give you an Amazon link to all your books, which you can share on your social media page, your fan page, your blog, your WhatsApp groups, anywhere you can share it on, be it on Pinterest. It will help readers discover all your book in one click. This is the link, copy link. I will copy it and go to my Pinterest and what? Paste it there. I will also go to other social media handles which I anchor. I will also go and share my link there. When the readers click on this link, it's going to redirect them to a platform where they will see all my books and they can now select from the list of them. So this is it for our Author Central account. We will be going back to our focus words. That's the topics we will be discussing. We are discussing setting up your Author Central account. The second is set up your About the Author page. Of course, we have discussed it using this same Author Central account. Number 3 thing, which may be the cause of you not making sales on your books on KDP, is what? You must make sure your books are available on multiple languages. Very, 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 very important. Your book should be available in multiple languages. Why do I need to keep my books in multiple languages? This is to help my readers who are not English inclined, who doesn't speak English, who doesn't hear English, to read, to see, to discover my books and as well find value in reading it. As you can see, these are my books that are in other languages. You can see it is in different languages. You can see it is in different languages. I will also teach you how to bring your books to all languages you can ever think of without employing a translator. This will be covered in my master classes. For those that are interested in my master class, don't forget to drop your email address on the comment box. Of course, I'm going to chat you up and pick it up from there. I will teach you how you can take your book worldwide by making it available on different languages: Spain, Italy, Germany, France, all countries of the world, all African countries, all European countries, all non-English speaking countries will benefit from your books. These sales will drive unimaginable sales to a particular book. So we will be covering that in our master classes, which will be coming up soon. But meanwhile, if you're interested in the master class, don't forget to drop your email address or your phone number on my comment box so I can be able to contact you from there. Thank you. So one of our strategies which we are discussing right now is what? Using of multiple languages to drive more sales on our books on KDP. Using this idea to drive more sales on our audiobooks. These books can also be worked on our audio profile, which is ACS. I can claim this book. I can claim this book on my ACS page. This is the book, right? Now let's copy the ASIN. You will see this book is available for claim on my ACS dashboard to show you that this is an expanded market. When I publish this book on ACS, it is going to be distributed. If it is a book written in Spain, it will be distributed to audible.spain, audible.es, that is Audible Spain. It will be distributed there. This is the French edition of my book. You can see this is my book, it's claimable. If I claim this book, it will be available on audible.fr, which is Audible France. So this is an expanded market. Taking your book to other languages expands your market, expands your chances of sale, expands your business. You can't afford to miss this. We will be covering that in our masterclass soon. So let's go back to our table. We have discussed setting up your Author Central account, setting up your About the Author page. Now the third, okay, we have discussed the third. Make sure your books are available on multiple languages. I've discussed that. Make sure your books are available on different platforms, on different formats, Kindle, paperback, hardcover, audiobook, and audio CD. Wow, I will be covering this. Many people don't know your book can be on audio CD. I will be teaching you how to publish your book and make it available as an audio CD and sell it on Amazon.com and also across 400 different libraries worldwide. I will be covering that in this channel. You just need to stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share my videos so I will notify you whenever I make good videos like this. So in this, our number 4, we are to discuss Kindle paperback, hardcover, audiobook, and audio CD. Why do I need to make my book available in all formats? We need this so as to expand our audience. Some people have preference for paperback over Kindle books. Some people like hardcovers, or some people even buy the Kindle. When they find out that they love the book so much, they would like to keep a copy, probably for their children to read, their visitors, their friends, or to share it as a birthday gift. They will want to order the hardcover of that book. It's like making the sale times 2. Someone that has already paid for your Kindle book or the paperback, he or she read it and was happy and got value from your book, can now come back and say, oh, I really need to keep this book so my children will see it. I really need to keep it so my friends will see it. Then the person needs the hardcover. Also, there are people that works in offices, businesses that doesn't have time to scroll through their book. They'll read the paperback or read the Kindle or read the hardcover. They will simply buy the audio version of the book, which is a fast-growing market, the hot evergreen market right now. Because a book that will take like 3 weeks to read up can be finished as an audiobook in 1 day. So people now tap into this market, buy audiobooks, listening to it in their cars, listening to it at home, listening to it in their offices where they perform their jobs. So this audiobook market is really an evergreen market. You would like to keep your books in audiobooks. I will also teach you how to narrate your audiobooks. Some people think it's impossible for us Nigerians, for us Africans to tap into this audiobook market. But in my next video, I will be showing you what you are doing wrong. How you can open an ACS account even when you are not from Nigeria, Canada, even when you are not from USA, Canada, Spain, Italy, France, which are the supported countries. I will show you if you can do the narration job. I will teach you how to be a narrator, how to edit your audio in your Audacity software. I will teach you voiceover and every stuff that you need to get started in the audiobook publishing business. This will be coming up in my upcoming videos. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to stop here. But be it known to you that publishing your books in Kindle, paperback, hardcover, audio books, and CDs helps to drive more sales, help to retain your buyers, help to make them long for your books, give them more options depending on the category they want. It's not everybody that likes Kindle that likes audiobook, and likewise. So it's very, very, very necessary if you really want to push your audiobook and ebook business to the next level. On our 5th lineup tonight, make sure to put your books in Kindle Unlimited. Wow, Kindle Unlimited. This I'm going to cover it separately in another video, but I have to briefly tell you what it is all about. This is a subscription package that is for those that is in US, UK, Canada, France, Germany. They can subscribe the price of $9.99 a month. And when you do that, you have the full access to read any book unlimited on the Kindle Unlimited platform. Insofar the book is opted into Kindle Unlimited, you can read as many books as possible within that month of subscription. It also allows you to hold the maximum of 10 books in your Kindle, Amazon Kindle app. Then when you finish reading 10 books, you can return the books and as well bring in a new books into your library. So Kindle Unlimited is really worth it for anybody that wants to start as a new beginner, for anybody that is like saying, oh, my book is not really selling well, you are a new author, you really need Kindle Unlimited. Why? Number one is that Kindle Unlimited gives you free 5 days promotion that can make you open your book for free download by buyers in such a way that when the buyers get your book through free promotion, they will read it and they will drop their honest reviews. This helps in ranking your book on Amazon. They also have their Kindle Countdown deals. This is available for books that are only in Kindle Unlimited, the Kindle Countdown deals. This helps you to reduce the price of your book for a period of 5 days so that people can take advantage of it and buy your books at a lower price. But in our masterclass, I'm going to teach you also what you need to do, the free traffic source, how I am making it big on Kindle Unlimited, why my book is generating thousands of page reads on daily basis, even as a new author. My students are really enjoying this and are making so much value from it. If you subscribe to my masterclass, you will know that it is 100% possible to make at least $20 a day from Kindle Unlimited, because I will be taking you in a step-by-step guide on all you need to know, all you need to do, all you need to set up to make Kindle Unlimited an evergreen and a fertile ground for this publishing business. You really can't afford to miss my masterclass. Don't forget to drop your email address on my comment section if you're interested in my masterclass. Then going to my 6th topic for the night, make sure your manuscript contains a title page, 3D mock-up of the cover art, dedication page, copyright page, and a foreword. This is a very big mistake new authors does. Some of them are careless about their manuscript. They will just say, oh, they have approved it, no table of content, no 3D mock-up, no title page, no about the author in the book. This discourages your buyers. They will think you are not a professional. They will think you are not an authority in your field. They will think your book is not worth their money. So whatever that worth money, worth giving attention, you must handle your table of content, make it clear, make it readable, make it well organized. You must have a dedication page. Okay, I hid my own. If not, you would have seen it here. Let me know if, okay. I want to just, so you can see, this is my 3D mockup. Oh, it hid my table of content. You would have seen it right now, but it's very, very necessary. I will also be covering how you can set up a good table of content that is SEO friendly, so that it will help you in ranking your books. So it is very, very necessary to include your title page, a 3D mock-up of your book cover, a foreword about the author page inside your book, and a good, well-written table of content coupled with a description. Amazon even captures your description. Your description can go a long way in determining how fast or how viral your book will go. For me, I have this strategy of including my table of content inside my description, because it helps the Amazon algorithm to catch up some of the words there. When potential buyers search of those keywords, of course, my books will come out. So this is it for your in-book requirements. That's your dedication page, copyright page, your foreword, your 3D mockup, your table of content. This helps you to increase your chances of sale. Then the last but not the least is this, pricing. Some people think that pricing it low means all the world is going to start buying it. No way. So people think pricing it high is like making it look so valuable. That is not true. If you are a new author, if you really want to tap into the market, if you really want to take advantage of your competitors, you have to study the pricing of most especially the books in your niche. For example, let me search this. Let's see the books that are under this category. You will see my pricing right now and how I determined it. This book, the paperback goes for $16. This one, the paperback goes for $18. This one, the Kindle goes for $9. The paperback goes for $10. If you look at the reviews, you see it has 1,436 reviews, meaning that more people are going for this book than they go for the rest in this category. They keep the paperback at a flat rate of $10 and they keep their Kindle 9.99, whereas other competitors kept their paperback at $18, their hardcover $18, their paperback. I can see a paperback here that is, let me see. You can see this paperback is $6 and you can see the rate in 21,654. You compare your prices with the price of your competitors. Since they have already made the name, since their book is already having the reviews, you must consider bringing your price a bit lower than what they have set there, so that the customers who couldn't meet up with that their price will as well buy your book as a substitute. So this is really a pricing strategy which every writer, every author must concur to. At this juncture, we'll round off this tutorial tonight. I know you made value out of this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, share, like, and make sure you return back to see my awesome videos next time. I remain your king of sales. I am here now on YouTube to show you everything you need to know about this publishing business, everything you need to know to make it happen on Amazon and other publishing platforms. Don't forget to drop your email address on my comment box if you are interested in my masterclass, which is going to cover a lot of things. The magic of Kindle Unlimited, how to hit at least $20 per day on your Kindle Unlimited account. Even as a new author, it is a guaranteed amount you must be making a day. And this is equivalent to bringing up nothing less than 5,000 pages read on daily basis. It is a free traffic. You don't need to pay for it. You don't need to subscribe. You don't need to run Amazon ad. You just need to subscribe to my masterclass. I am going to share with you all the tricks and hacks, things you have not heard before about Kindle Unlimited, and how to start making passive income through it. I'll also share my secret of writing motivational books that I can make up to a book in 2 days. You will see how I was able to make up to 600 books in my Amazon KDP account, which are all motivational books and of high quality itself. I'm also going to cover it in my masterclass, and so many other things, so many other tricks, so many other hacks that is going to help you to make it to the next level in your publishing business. Thank you and remain blessed.